You know, I really fell in love with cars washing them with my dad and my family here in this driveway. It was this sense of taking care of something and being proud of the condition in which you kept it.
My name is Raz Krog, and I drive a Mercedes G-Wagon, and today we're getting clean. I've always looked at cars as one of the most important assets you'll ever own, and therefore to keep them mechanically sound and beautifully clean was very important. So when I purchased my first car, a used 1979 MGB, and every car since then, such as this Mercedes G-Wagon, I've always strived to keep my cars looking their best, and certainly turtlewax has been a big part of that. So I find it really satisfying to hand wash my car in the driveway, taking all the time you need to deal with every surface. But it's especially fun when the whole family can get involved.
Cleaning cars was something that my dad always really enjoyed, but my siblings, the dogs, we always found our way out to the driveway to help, to get in the way, to clean panels that he had already taken care of. But it was something that we all really bonded over and just something we all really enjoyed. Turtlewax has always been who we've turned to keep our cars clean and keep them protected. Coming into town this dirty, it's really like a badge of honor, and people really respond to it. Any type of person will come up to you and give you thumbs up, Jeeps will wave at you. They know that you've been out and you've had a good time.
So in my mind, hand washing is the best you can offer your car. This allows you to go over and know every surface of the car. And I'm generally doing this while the Labradors are running around trying to play with the hose at the same time.
Down, bud. I was really fortunate to grow up washing so many great cars, but there's nothing like cleaning a G-Wagon. The closest thing I can relate it to is washing 5 billboards, because just every surface is flat. It's like the designers really only had a ruler.
This G-Wagon is 10 years old, has over 100,000 miles, and we still get compliments about how great it looks. So many of the cars that I've purchased in black, and we all know just how much additional care they take. So they show all kinds of marks, whether pinstripes, swirls, you name it. However, once you take good care of that surface, they absolutely glisten unlike any other color car. So I love black.
Everyone with a black car understands the struggle to keep it looking like it did on day one. When you go out and you enjoy your vehicle and you have a day like we did, you inevitably come back with new pinstripes and swirl marks. But Turtlewax makes so many incredible products that are specifically for black paint that it makes getting that car back to the way it was on day one so easy. So today we're featuring a new product from the hybridsolutions line, the ceramic acrylic black polish. It's an easy one-step product specifically formulated for black paint, designed to fill in those pinstripes that you've earned off-road and to enhance that black, deep gloss that we all love. It's a really flexible product too. Pros can use it on a buffer. If you're a little more old school, you can massage it in by hand, but it's specifically designed to get rid of those swirl marks that are so apparent on black paint.
So I find it especially enjoyable when a guest or a family member is getting into the car and every surface they see is spotlessly clean.
So today we're giving the interior a little bit of love with the quick and easy Luxe Leather. It's going to clean and condition this leather without leaving that greasy residue. So today we're going to top things off with the hybridsolutions ceramic spray coating. It's one of those products that's really easy to use, just 2 sprays per panel and you're good to go. It's another super easy turtlewax tool to keep this G looking its best. Now more than ever, I think people are turning to their cars for adventure, and turtlewax, my dad, myself, we're all just telling you to go do it.